Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to clean junk files. First, right click on the start menu and select run. In the run box, type prefetch and press enter. When prompted, click continue. Here you'll see a list of files. Press Ctrl plus it to select all files, then press Shift plus delete to permanently delete them. Click yes when asked to confirm. Next, close this window. Again, right click on start, choose run and this time type temp. Hit enter, click continue if prompted, then again press Ctrl plus it to select all files and press Shift plus delete. Some files might not delete because they're in use, just skip those. Now for the third step. Once again, right click start, open run and type %temp%, that's %temp%. Press enter, select all files with Ctrl plus and press Shift plus delete. If some files can't be deleted, just skip them. After completing all these steps, restart your PC to apply the changes.